Welcome back to this blogging series. In the previous video, I've shown you how to install and set up Rank Math plugin for your site, for your new site. So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to submit your site to Google Search Console. Without submission of your site to Google Search Console, your site does not exist as far as Google is concerned. So you have to submit it to Google Search Console for Google to be aware that you have a new site. So how can you do that? Go to Google, type Search Console or Google Search Console, then click on the first result, Google Search Console, then click on Start Now. The reason is that it redirected me to my Google Search Console account is because I already have an account. If you don't have an account on Google Search Console, this will be different, but I have an account. So all I have to do is to click on this icon here, then scroll down and click on Add Property. Then at this point, I'm going to be adding the URL of my website. So use this to submit your site on Google Search Console. So I'm going to copy and paste the URL of my website at this point. Make sure the site you're about to paste contains HTTPS. So I've pasted the URL of my site. Then now, the next thing I have to do is to click on Continue. Then you have to select the verification method you want to use to verify your site. So I love to use HTML tag. So click on HTML tag this. Then scroll down. Then copy this code. Copy this code. Then go to your site and activate. If you have not activated the plugin I showed you in the previous videos, activate it. So let me activate that plugin, and I'll use that plugin to place this code. So I'm going to activate these plugins. If you have not activated any of these plugins I showed you in the previous videos, activate them and set them up. Immediately. So I've activated this plugin. So this is it. Code snippets. Then I'm going to click on header and footer. Click on it. So I'm going to paste the code I copied, the Google code. Then I'm going to paste it inside this box. That's the header section. Paste it, then click on Save Changes. So once you've done that, go back to your Google Search Console and click on Verify. So you have successfully verified your site. So what next I'll be doing is I'm going to submit my sitemaps. It's very important to submit your sitemap to Google so that every new pages on your site can easily be found by Google and get indexed. So how can you do that? Go back to your site, go to Rank Math, then click on Sitemap Settings. Rank Math automatically generates sitemap for your site. So this is your sitemap. So what you're going to do is to copy this URL, copy it from sitemap_sitemap.index.sml and go to your Google Search Console and paste it. Then click on Submit. It said couldn't fetch. We have to try it again. So if you try it the first time it didn't work, try it again. It will work. So go back to your site, then click on it to get other maps, other URL for your sitemap. So you can see RankMath generated 3 sitemaps for your site, that is the post, page, and category. If you activate other pages on your site like the tag section, RankMath will automatically create that too. So you can only see 3 because that is what is present for your site. So what I'm going to do is to do the same, copy the URL. I'll copy the URL from post. I'll copy the URL. I'll copy this, and this, and paste it on my Google Search Console. So I'll get that done, and I'll see you after I get it done. So as you can see, I'm done with the sitemap on my site. If you look at the sitemap, you can see discover pages 1 is a new site. On a new site, there's a default category on WordPress which is tagged uncategorized. It's usually on every WordPress site. Then if you look at the pages, they have 2 pages. This is the default created pages on every new WordPress site. If you have posted articles on your site before you start adding sitemap, once you add your sitemap, the number of posts or pages or categories on your site is going to reflect here on the discovered pages. So that is how to submit your sitemap to Google. So that is how to submit your site to Google Search Console. To further this, you can also submit your site to Bing Webmaster. And this can be easily done. It can be easily done. You don't need to submit or copy any code since you have submitted it to Google Search Console. All you have to do is go to Bing Webmaster. You can type Bing Webmaster on Google, then select the second site, and this site is about tools. I think you should select this one, Bing Webmaster Tools. Select the second site. Then if you don't have an account with Bing, create an account with Bing or you sign up. I already have an account on Bing, so I'm going to sign in. Then I'm going to sign in with my Google account. If you want to use your Google account to make it easier, sign in or sign up with your Google account that is connected to your Google Search Console. That is the site you want to connect to Bing. So click on Google. Then I'll select the email that is connected to my site that I use to submit my site to Google Search Console. So I'll click on this because I've added other sites. So I'll click on this to add site. On Google Search Console is add property, but on Bing it is add a site. So I'll click on add a site. Then you can do it manually by putting the URL of the website here, or do it automatically. If you do it automatically, it will automatically get your site verified and add the sitemap you added on your Google account, on your Google Search Console account. So I'm going to click on import. Then click on continue. Then select the email account I use that is connected to my Google Search Console. Then click on allow. So it's importing the website. It's importing the website. So as you can see that it imported three websites that are not present in my Bing account. But I'm only interested in adding this particular one. So I'm going to unclick this, then leave only the new site. This is only the new site I want to import. Then click on import. Then finally click on done. You can see, congratulations, site addition successful. We have successfully imported one site from Google Search Console account. Then after that, click on done. So that is how to submit your site to Google Search Console and Bing Webmaster Tools. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how you can do on-page SEO for your new site using Rank Math or any other SEO plugin you have installed on your WordPress site. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video and comment if you have any question. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.